Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bank of America credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in www.bankofamerica.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Bank of America, which looks like this. Go to the left hand side of the screen and type in your user ID in the first text box. Now head over to the next field and type in your password correct. If you'd like to save your user ID in this particular device, click on the Save User ID box at the bottom. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot ID/password link and follow the on-screen prompts. After entering your credentials, click the Login button and you'll be able to get access to your Bank of America account. You can now go ahead and choose the credit card option from the menu, and that way you should be able to log in and get access to your credit card for Bank of America. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.